Good afternoon, I'm Hannah Cardozo from Group 6 ABC and I'm going to do a Kahoot video tutorial. First, I choose this program because it seems to me that it should be used more in classroom since it is a very didactic way of doing class. One characteristics features are among the main features of Kahoot is that it allows you to ask questions, including photos and videos. The teacher can control the pace of the test of server, and each answer can be assigned a rating, and at the end, students can see their score. And students do not need to have an account to participate in these activities. To participate, all you have to do is visit Kahoot, find it, and then enter the PIN code of the game created that will give you access to activity. So, Kahoot, you enter the game PIN, and this this platform you can play with friends, or you can do it with in your school. And one disadvantage of this is that it goes out of the way of making evaluations. Normally that helps children have more fun doing these evaluations. Another advantage is that it has different ways of playing, and that entertains the student or people who use this application. One disadvantage is that there is a web that says the answer to these quizzes, and so they can make copy. This website, it's called this Kahoot winner is for see the answer of the quizzes, and for that you can make a copy about the quiz that you are in. Another disadvantage is that sometimes Kahoot is slow and the children are not able to answer the questions in time. This is because too much people are in the questionnaire, and it makes it very slow. Here you can log in for making the quizzes and for making to friends, for sending to friends. You can study at home with this, or you can make it your own quiz to play with family and friends. One way to improve Kahoot would be to make it a little easier to do Kahoot quizzes, since doing them can be a bit difficult for younger children or for adults who do not manage. Okay, if you click here, and then you can play with the pen. If you go to sign up, you can be a teacher, student, personal, or you can be a professional use. We choose student in this case. You choose your date of birth. I choose July of the 27th of the year 2009. And can we continue? We make a random username and continue. You make it sign up with Microsoft. And then you choose your account. And then here in this part, you can sign out, or the settings is to change the password. And here you can create your own quiz. For example, here I put for random topics. You can here in the time limit of each question. Here you can select what points you receive for each correct question. Here you add the the answer of the question of this question, and when you write the answer, you select when it's correct or no. This you can select multi-select, that is that two or more answers are correct. And you can add more questions of quiz or true or false. You can add an image for a YouTube link or of your computer of an image library that is in here in Kahoot. You can here preview so of what how it looks the Kahoot and when you're done, you click here done, and you keep as draft, or if you complete, it could be this. And so in Kahoot, in my Kahoots, you can your Kahoot that you play with your friends so funny that we click here. If you don't play it or just want to save it for later, you can make it here to save it here in draft. You can also have favorite Kahoots and discover. You can find Kahoots of other people, and you can answer it. And that's all about Kahoot.